Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the GravaStar Mars Pro sci-fi inspired portable Bluetooth speaker. Now you can pick this one up from GravaStar.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price for the Mars Pro starts at $229. I repeat, $229. Now if you want the Mars Pro special editions, those are going to run you $349. All right, so let's take it over to the website real quick. Now, here's the Mars Pro lineup. This one comes in black, white, and war damage yellow. Now, for the special editions, you got the Shark 14, you got the Aurochs, and the Aquarius. Now, they also sell a charging base for $59. All right, so let's go through some of the features real quick. Now, this is a special edition. That's the ones we're going to review right now. Okay, this is really sci-fi inspired. You got a solid and durable design. Now this is made out of zinc alloy. Powerful and accurate sound. You got a 2.5 range speaker and a 1-inch frequency tweeter. Catered for audiophiles. These feature TWS, true wireless stereo, so you can pair two of these together. You got Bluetooth version 5.0, easy volume controls, touch capacitive, unique do-it-yourself elements, and a battery that lasts, okay, up to 15 hours. Let's check out the specs real quick. All right, so product material, zinc alloy. The weight, 5.55 pounds. Full range subwoofer drivers, Bluetooth 5.0. You got a triangular support structure, 6 RGB lights. Okay, I love that. Touch volume controls, true wireless stereo, battery life up to 15 hours, output power, 20 watts, transmission range, 10 meters, power supply, 5 volts, 2 amps. All right, so all of that for $350. Let's see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love my
calm down. Okay, here we go. Let's start off with the Mars Pro, the Shark 14. Let me grab a little unboxing knife. Okay, let's see, we got the zombie killer today. Here we go. Let's see, did I miss anything? Let's see, audiophile quality, true wireless stereo, RGB lights, 15-hour battery life, Bluetooth 5.0, zinc alloy body, okay, and a shock absorption structure. Okay, now this one right here, like I said, $350. Okay, here we go. Right. Okay, the box is kind of trolling. Right. Okay, anger levels increasing. Initiate rage sequence. Okay, deactivate rage sequence. Okay, here we go. Now, I've never seen this before, so I'm kind of hyped. I love all this sci-fi stuff. This is the Mars Pro. This is the Shark 14. Okay, I like that. Now, it's a little card right here. We're going to save that. Okay. Let's see. Now, this one, the special edition, it comes with all of the accessories. So you see you got the Gatling gun. Okay. This looks like the shield. Okay. Some more parts. Okay, some more parts. We're going to have to figure out all this stuff. It does come with the tool. Now, I was about to say I'm not going to install this because I don't have the tools down here. But it does come with a tool. Let's see. Okay, some Allen wrenches. It's going to be all your screws. Okay, oh, and it comes with a screwdriver too. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, and oh, check this out. Now, this is the bullets, the bullets for the Gatling gun. Real nice. Now, I'm going to have to hide all this stuff because Shoe's getting ready to steal it. But let's take a look at the actual speaker. Now, check this out. This is heavyweight. Definitely 5.5 pounds easily. Okay, zinc alloy. Now, you can put all the guns on it and all that stuff if you want. I think I might just leave it like this, though. Okay, I'm more of a minimalistic kind of guy, but we'll see. Let's see, anything else in here? Now, this is going to be your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. Shoes, read those real quick. Let's see, you got a USB Type-C to 3.5 aux cable for non-Bluetooth devices. Shoes, inspect that. And this is going to be a charging cable, okay, L-shaped, USB Type-C to USB-A. Okay, so that's pretty much it for that. Now, for the speaker itself, I never seen nothing like this, okay? And right away, I got to tell you the build quality. The build quality is excellent. Now, I thought it was going to be some plasticky kind of feel to it. But nah, this is zinc alloy. Now, you can see your subwoofer in the back. Okay, this is going to be the front with all your RGB lights. All right, shoes, I need you to scoot. RGB lights in the front. On the bottom, this is your USB Type-C charging slot. Okay, now this is also going to work for your auxiliary cable. And that's pretty much it. Let's see where the buttons at on this. All right, I'll figure this out in a minute. Okay, here are the buttons right here. Okay, so you got power, play and pause, volume up and down, and your Bluetooth pairing. Again, this is going to look so dope if you got a nice RGB desktop setup and you're into the sci-fi theme. Again, let's see now. If you want to, you could. Matter of fact, let me show you how it looks if you install all of the accessories. All right, so that's how you install all of the accessories. I'll probably do that later, or I might just leave it like this. I like the round look. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and power this up.
Ready to pair.
Okay, you got the RGB lights. Oh, this is kind of sick. All right, now, before I do the sound test, let's go ahead and unbox the second one. Oh, you hear that sound? I love it. I love it. Okay, so this is the Aurochs. All right, the Aurochs. Again, $350 on this one. Okay. Right. Okay. Am I going to have to initiate the raid sequence? Okay. All right, good. No. All right. Here we go. Now, this one does have a little handle on the top. Okay, here we go. Attention to detail. Okay. Now, this is the Aurochs version. Usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. Okay. Flick of the wrist. This is the speaker. Let's see what this is. Okay, all your cables again. You got your 3.5 to USB Type-C auxiliary. L-shaped USB Type-C to USB-A. Okay, and of course, more little accessories. Now this looks like that third, the third fin for the top. I like that. And let's see, anything else here? No, that's pretty much it. Okay, so the Aurochs. Again, now, you can put all this stuff on it if you want, but I think I like it better just like this. There's that woof on the back. Okay, here's the front. Nice zinc alloy, heavy duty, matte feel on this, that cold aluminum feel to it. I love it. Look at all of the details. On the bottom, use USB Type-C. These articulating claws on the bottom. I like that. Let's go ahead and power this one up.
Ready to pair.
Okay. Real sick. Real sick. All right, let me grab a phone. We'll pair these up, and I'll do a little sound test. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, dim the lights a little bit so we can see the RGBs more clearly. And as far as the pairing process, real simple. Once you power up the speaker, it'll automatically be in Bluetooth pairing mode. Go to your phone's Bluetooth menu and select the Mars Pro. All right, so let's try out some music. Now, if you notice, you do have touch capacitive. Let's get max volume. Okay, here we go. Look at that bass. RGBs everywhere. Oh, this speaker sounds great. I like this one. Yo, now I know this mic is not going to do it justice, but this speaker has mad bass. You see in the back vibrating like that, crazy. I love the RGBs. You can turn those on and off if you want. You can have them pulsate with the music. You can have them cycle through different colors, or you can just have a static color. Okay? And again, the touch sensitive volume control on the top, real nice. All right, so let's try another song. All right, so now let's try the Shark 14. Look at all the RGB lights. Lights everywhere. Dope. Okay, there's your volume control. Turn it down. Turn it all the way up. Let's get max volume. I like this one. Let's see, let's try to fold up the legs. Rest it like this. This is crazy. All right, let me hit pause. Ladies and gentlemen, these are 100%, without a doubt, going to be my new desktop speakers. All right, on the side of my Asus laptop. I'm going to leave them just like this. This is crazy. Now, let's pair two of these together and see how they sound. All right, so I got two of these paired together. Now let's test them out. Now, to connect true wireless stereo, it's real simple. You're just going to hold the Bluetooth button down on both speakers for 3 seconds. Then you're going to see the light start flashing. Single click the main speaker, double click the second speaker, and it'll automatically connect. Just that simple. All right, here we go. Feel that bass is crazy. All right, now as far as the accessories, I'm going to be honest with y'all. At first, I thought I was going to like the speaker better plain, but after installing them, I like this look way better. Way more futuristic, way more sci-fi. Now with the Aurochs, real simple. These are just magnets, so easy on, easy off. Now with the Shark 14, you're going to have to use the screws, but that's a good thing. It's going to keep all your accessories in place. Extra sturdy. You see the twin Gatling guns? They're not moving around. There's your bullets, the drum on the back, the shield on the side. This is official tissue. Overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the GravaStar Mars Pro portable Bluetooth speakers a major go. Now, I know some of y'all going to say the price is TGH, but look, you got to pay to play. These are different and unique. Nobody got these in their house. RGB lights, excellent battery life, but the build quality. These are super sturdy, zinc alloy, and they just look so sick. Imagine when you got your RGB setup, all your fancy computers, your curved screen monitor, your gaming headphones, and you got the twin Mars Pros on each side of your computer. This is game over. Anyway, Mars Pros, triple major goes. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Flossy now. Deuces. Spot one to beam up. Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, the Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.